hands.
It's got a flat edge. Where do you think it should go?
No, it doesn't look like it fits there.
I don't think it's supposed to go there. I think it's supposed to go with the other flat edges.
See, there's flat edges right there. And then, what?
And
Yay! Good job, Matthew.
put it to my feet.
Yep.
Now let's see here. That looks like Donald Duck's feet. Where's some of?
Does Donald Duck have a second foot?
Where's
Is there
more
another
Donald
foot?
Duck's feet? Do you think the 2 feet go next to each other? No, that's not
No,
right.
silly
Let's
Matthew.
try
Oh.
again.
The bubble. The bubble.
Where does Donald's feet go?
No, but that's not right. Let's try again.
Yeah, let's try again.
The bubble. The bubble. That's on. What?
You're right. Good job, buddy.
You put Donald's feet in.
You did. I wonder what goes next. That looks like it's the corner.
Do you see a corner
Do you
piece?
see a corner piece?
Donald.
Oh, you want to do Donald?
Okay.
You go right ahead, buddy.
And
There you go.
you
Good job.
put Donald in.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oops. Daddy, we lost it again. Oh, wait, no, we found
We
it.
got it. Where does that one go?
Well, that's where the sides go. That's not a side.
That's not a side. Why don't you try again?
Close.
Close. You got. I think you might be onto something. What? Maybe if you turned it around.
Can you turn it
Can
over?
you turn the piece around to where? What color is Donald's tail?
See, look, the blue side needs to go here, and the white side needs to go there.
Go here.
Oh, wait, no, where's the blue side on that piece? You got it upside down.
Turn it around. You're so close on that piece, buddy.
See, watch. Try it now.
Now try it. Matthew, do it.
Matthew, do it.
Matthew, do it. Oh, you almost
I
had
think
it.
you had it.
You had it.
Me too.
Honey, please move. Thank you.
Honey build.
No, honey can't
Matthew
do puzzles.
Bill, you're almost done.
You only got
You
two.
only
You only got 3 pieces
you got
left.
3 pieces left.
Now we can go take a bath.
Where's that one go? That looks like a corner piece. Wait a minute.
I think that's it.
I think that's it. No, it doesn't.
No, now
go
you're just
there.
playing.
You're just being silly now.
Finish the puzzle so we can cheer.
That's right.
Uh-huh. You're pushing your puzzle around.
You got it.
There you go. All right, 2 more pieces left.
2 more pieces. Where does that one go? No.
No.
Not there. So it must be. Wait. You had it.
Oh, now you're just
You're
playing.
just being silly. Come on. Finish the puzzle.
Finish the puzzle. Finish the puzzle. Otherwise, we'll have to go get our bath without finishing the puzzle, and we'll be all sad.
The puzzle. The puzzle.
No. Come on. You know where it goes.
There
That's
it
right.
is. Yay! Where's that last piece go?
You did it! Yay!
5, buddy. All right.
Yay!